Reviews, we've got them, and we appreciate everybody who takes time out to leave us a reviews. We're now at our cco.us website. We've got 579 reviews, and I think we're very close to 5 stars across the board. October 12th, 2018, Amber wrote, very happy with the video lectures and student support. The BHAT technique and the practices exams were a huge help. After a failed attempt with a previous class and struggling with another, this class structure was exactly what I needed. Passed my CRC on the first take. Well, congratulations, Amber. Awesome.
Awesome.
And then October 13th, Laura wrote, your support and material helped me pass another AAPC exam on the first try, CPC and now CRC. Thank you all for your wonderful products. And you can see all of them at cco.us/testimonials.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.